Hello my dear friends, welcome to Daily Listening. On this channel, we are going to improve our English listening skills together while learning lots of interesting things about history, technology, famous people, and more. To make things easier for you, I'll also include the text of the sentences and words in the video. So if you don't catch a word, you can simply read it, look it up, and learn its meaning. I'm also planning to create videos where I'll share simple and practical tips to help you learn English more easily and enjoyable. Here are a few quick tips to help you get the most out of the videos. Listen carefully and follow along with the text. Write down any new or difficult words and look up their meanings. Watch the video a few times to really remember it. After listening, pause the video and read the text out loud. This really helps with your pronunciation and speaking. And don't forget to leave a comment so we can chat and learn from each other. I'd love to have you with me on this journey, so make sure to subscribe and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Let's grow together and improve our English step by step. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Take care.